Have you ever wondered how to make $10,000 per month with online marketing? Welcome to the fascinating world of digital entrepreneurship, where the potential for substantial income is real and achievable. Online marketing is a vast landscape filled with numerous strategies and techniques, each with its own unique approach to helping you earn a significant income. Imagine harnessing the power of the internet to reach a global audience, promoting products or services, and earning every time someone makes a purchase or clicks on your link. This is the essence of online marketing, a world where the most successful players are those who understand how to leverage these techniques to their advantage. From affiliate marketing, e-commerce, email marketing, video marketing, to content and influencer marketing, the options are endless. And whether you're looking at paid or free traffic methods, there are ways to direct potential customers right to your doorstep. Let's unlock the secrets of online marketing and learn how to make $10,000 per month. There are countless ways to earn money through online marketing, but today we'll focus on 6 key strategies. First up, affiliate marketing. Think of it as a referral program, but on a much larger scale. You promote a company's product or service on your platform, and for every sale made through your unique referral link, you get a commission. It's a win-win situation as businesses get more sales and you earn a healthy commission. Next, we have e-commerce. This is all about buying and selling products online. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or dropshipping products from a third-party supplier, the online marketplace is booming and shows no signs of slowing down. Now, let's talk about email marketing. Although it's one of the oldest forms of online marketing, it's still one of the most effective. By building a list of subscribers and sending them regular targeted emails, you can nurture potential customers and turn them into paying clients. Then there's video marketing. With the rise of platforms like YouTube, video content has become a powerful tool for businesses. Whether it's product demos, how-to guides, or customer testimonials, videos can capture your audience's attention and drive engagement. Content marketing is another key strategy. This involves creating and sharing valuable, relevant content to attract and engage your target audience. From blog posts to podcasts, the goal is to provide value to your audience and build trust, which in turn can lead to increased sales. Lastly, we delve into influencer marketing. This strategy leverages the power of social media influencers to reach a wider audience. By collaborating with influencers who have a large following, businesses can tap into their audience and increase their brand awareness. And there you have it. These are the 6 strategies: affiliate marketing, e-commerce, email marketing, video marketing, content marketing, and influencer marketing. Each one has its strengths and can be incredibly effective when used correctly. With these 6 strategies, you're well on your way to making $10,000 per month. First off, let's delve into affiliate marketing and e-commerce. Imagine being a matchmaker, but instead of sparking love between 2 people, you're connecting consumers with products. That's the essence of affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you promote products or services offered by other companies and earn a commission for each sale that comes through your referral link. It's like being a salesperson, only you're working online and at your own pace. Let's take a look at Amazon's affiliate program, Amazon Associates, for example. It's one of the largest and most successful affiliate programs in the world. As an Amazon associate, you'd have access to promote millions of products. When someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you get a piece of the pie. Now imagine having multiple referral links spread across your blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms. The earning potential can be substantial. On the other hand, e-commerce is about selling products directly to consumers over the internet. It's like running a traditional brick-and-mortar store, but without the physical limitations. You could be selling handmade crafts, digital products, or even dropshipping products sourced from suppliers around the globe. Successful e-commerce businesses are everywhere. Take Etsy, for example, a platform that empowers artists, crafters, and vintage enthusiasts to sell their unique creations. Or Shopify, a platform that has made it easy for anyone to set up an online store and sell products. These two strategies, affiliate marketing and e-commerce, though different, can be intertwined. For instance, you could run an e-commerce store and also promote related products as an affiliate. Or as an affiliate marketer, you could eventually branch out into selling your own products. The key is understanding your audience, their needs, and how you can provide value. Remember, with affiliate marketing and e-commerce, there's no cap on your earnings. Your income is a direct reflection of your efforts, creativity, and strategic planning. Affiliate marketing and e-commerce can be your first step towards earning $10,000 per month. Now, let's explore the world of email, video, and content marketing. Picture a world where you can communicate with your customers directly, engage them with compelling visuals, and provide valuable information all at the same time. Welcome to that world, the world of email, video, and content marketing. Starting with email marketing, it's not just about sending out newsletters or promotional offers. It's a direct line to your customers, an opportunity to build relationships and trust. It's about sending the right message to the right person at the right time. It's personalized, it's targeted, and it's effective. Then we have video marketing. In an age where people's attention spans are shorter than ever, videos have the power to engage, entertain, and educate. A well-crafted video can tell a story, convey emotion, and make your brand unforgettable. It's no wonder that videos are consumers' favorite type of content to see from brands on social media. And then there's content marketing. This is where you provide value first. You create and share online material that educates your audience about your products or services. Content marketing is about attraction, not promotion. You're not directly selling anything. Instead, you're providing relevant and useful content that solves your customers' problems or enhances their lives, which in turn attracts them to your business. So, how do these three strategies tie together? Imagine sending an email to your customers with a link to a captivating video about your latest product. The video then leads the viewer to a blog post that provides even more information about the product's features and benefits. You've just engaged your customer with 3 different types of content, all working together to create a seamless and engaging customer journey. These strategies are not standalone, they are interconnected, each feeding into and enhancing the other. The power of email, video, and content marketing lies not only in their individual strengths, but in their combined force when used together strategically. Email, video, and content marketing are key tools in your online marketing arsenal. Let's not forget about the power of influencer marketing and the importance of traffic generation. You may be wondering, what's this all about? Well, sit back and buckle up as we dive into this exciting realm of online marketing. Influencer marketing is a strategy that relies on partnering with individuals who have a substantial following or influence in a particular niche. They could be celebrities, thought leaders, or even that popular blogger who shares compelling stories about her life. These are the people who have the power to affect the purchasing decisions of others because of their authority, knowledge, or relationship with their audience. Now, why is this important? Remember, we're not just talking about making a few dollars here. We're aiming for a whopping $10,000 per month, and influencer marketing can be a powerful tool in achieving this goal. When done right, it can boost your brand's visibility, credibility, and ultimately, sales. But how do you do it right? First, identify influencers in your niche. These should be people whose values align with yours and whose followers match your target audience. Then establish a partnership with them. This could be through sponsored posts, collaborations, or even affiliate marketing arrangements. The key is to provide value, not just to the influencer, but also to their audience. Now, let's talk about traffic generation. If your online business were a physical store, traffic would be the people walking in. More traffic means more potential customers. There are 2 main types, paid and free. Paid traffic involves advertising or paying for visibility. Free traffic, on the other hand, comes from sources like search engines, social media shares, and referrals. To generate traffic effectively, you'll need to combine both types. Allocate a budget for paid advertising, but also invest time in SEO, content marketing, and social media engagement. Remember, consistency is key. With influencer marketing and effective traffic generation, you're another step closer to your goal of $10,000 per month. So, keep pushing, keep learning, and remember that in the world of online marketing, the sky's the limit. We've covered a lot today, so let's quickly summarize the key points. First, we dove into affiliate marketing and e-commerce, two powerful strategies for monetizing your online presence. We explored how you can leverage other businesses' products or create your own online store to generate income. Next, we unveiled the power of email, video, and content marketing. We discussed how creating valuable, engaging content can attract and retain customers, while personalized email campaigns can significantly boost your conversion rates. We also touched on influencer marketing, a modern approach to reaching larger audiences through trusted figures in your niche. Remember, the key to all these strategies is generating traffic. Whether you're using paid methods or free ones, getting eyes on your offers is essential. With these strategies in your toolkit, you're well equipped to start earning $10,000 per month through online marketing. So what are you waiting for?